Hey guys, it's Melanie. I sold stuff on eBay for the first time. I sold everything that I put up there, and I want to show you guys what I did, how I did it, and maybe it'll help you. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Dollar Tree DIY. Storage solutions for small houses. Like makeover. Let me show you what I got. I washed all of my clothes together. Let's go make something. Alright, so I've been doing financial series on my channel, how I make money, cash back, different things like that. Where I sit here and I drink a beer and I tell you about how I do things financially, and it's somehow doing okay. So I'm gonna do a video on how I sold things on eBay for the first time and how everything sold and what I did, and then I think I'll do a follow-up video soon here on all of my tips that I have. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys how I sold my first stuff on eBay. Yes. So anyway, I sold stuff on eBay. So the first thing I did before I started, of course, before I do anything, is I'm gonna watch a million YouTube videos and get some advice from complete strangers. I love me some advice from complete strangers. I like knowing what I'm getting into a little bit before I get into it, which I'm guessing is why you're here, so thank you for choosing me. Anyway, I'm gonna ramble and make you totally regret it. I did that. So, and then I decided I was gonna go for clothing. I decided I did not want to sell something that was hard to ship, I suppose, that could break in shipping. Does that make sense? I thought clothes were a much easier option. I did not want to just start by reselling stuff on eBay because I figured that's money you have to put out. So this is just stuff I already had. I sold some of my old clothes and some of my kids' old clothes. So I went in, I learned that you should, take the best quality pictures that you can. I used natural sunlight and my new iPhone to make the best quality pictures. I did not use my DSLR, but they were really good quality pictures. I ironed everything. I washed it so it smelled like really good and like the really nice smelling like Johnny Unstoppables. And I ironed it and I laid it out really nicely. I took a ton of photos. I took up close, far away, pictures of the tags, everything that I could, as many photos as they would let me, because I heard that's how you sell things well. Also, apparently, a lot of clothing, especially children's clothing, will apparently sell better in lots. So I've been told a lot is like a gathering of clothes. So maybe like 3 pairs of jeans or 5 shirts that are from Gap at size 5T or something like that. With the exception of something that might be special. So I chose my daughter's Gap Bambi Disney limited edition pants I chose those to do separately because I felt like those would stand on their own, and they totally did. So anyway, I did that, and I started selling things. So the first thing I want to say is do not get your hopes up to sell everything at once. I sold one thing in the first week, and I think everything else took a couple more months, but eventually everything sold. Don't just get discouraged and take it down. Just leave it up and then they'll let you know. Another thing I did was a couple things weren't selling, and I eventually allowed offers, which I didn't know you could really do. And my cat's making noise. My cat's trying to get something, his treats. I will give him a treat after this video, I promise. So anyway, and then I allowed the offers, and they message you an offer, and someone would ask me if I would take $1 off, and I would say sure, and then I would sell it. And it was that easy. I feel like they feel like you're giving something to them, and so they will, that's all it takes. So anyway, it was really that simple. And then I would ship it out with a little thank you letter, and that was it. I got good feedback and I sold stuff. I heard that some people are having problems with getting gypped and things like that on Amazon, on eBay. So I am a little afraid to post something with worth a little bit more money, but that's it. I haven't put that much effort into it. I just took all of my kids' clothes that I wanted to sell at once, and I washed them and ironed them. It took me, half an hour to do everything. I washed it. After that, it took me half an hour to iron, display them, take all the pictures, and post it. It took hardly any time. My kids were watching a TV show. So yeah. Alright, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. It means the world to me. I will link all the other finance videos below. Please stay and subscribe. Bye, I love you.